Prince Adventures Travel, we are your luxury cruise travel experts. Here I am showcasing the room tour of the Seabourn Odyssey Oceanview category. This suite is room 418. You can see they've set it up as a king bed, and as always, that can be split into 2 twin beds if you wish. On embarkation day, they provide all this great information regarding the jackets for pickup for our Alaska cruise and our sea passes there in those nice folders. You can see entering the sitting area that they've done a champagne welcome for us, and it's a beautiful area with a large couch and 2 chairs. We use this table in our other room as well for dining. Looking out the large porthole window, you can see in the port of Vancouver. It's a nice blue sky day for embarkation. It's a spacious sitting area, definitely where 4 people could relax, an enormous large mirror, and you can see over into the bedroom portion of the room. On the nightstands, you'll note that there is only USB outlets, so there's no electrical power outlets there in case that's something you need. Keep that in mind. Lots of storage space at the foot of the bed. And there is a large walk-in closet with full-length mirror, came tons of hangers stocked, lots of drawers, an in-room safe, and those plush robes. Here I am saying hello. A nice seating area if you wanted to blow dry your hair or get ready, put makeup on. There is a North American outlet there, not a European one. The shower area is modest, I will say, in size, with 2 shower heads and 2 shelves. The bathroom, however, is very large. Here I am again, and there's a bathtub, full size, and a clothesline at the top, which is great. Double vanity, and nice finishes and amenities in the bathroom. Coming back out into the room, you can see this room is a connecting room, so there are those options available on the Seabourn Odyssey. We specialize in lots of great... Oh, here I am getting stuck with the mini fridge to open. Just watch as I struggle here. I'll get it open, but I'll share that Prince Adventures, we are members of Virtuoso, which is an international consortia, which means we can help get you the best price on cruise vacations, especially of the luxury variety like Seabourn. You can see they have reusable water bottle program, so there's no bottled water on board, and they'll pre-stock your mini bar. Reach out today for a quote on your next luxury cruise vacations. Travel at princeadventures.com.